In this video, I will show you how to enable profile views in TikTok. After you open up your TikTok, all you have to do now, tap on this profile at the bottom right side. After you open up your profile, as you can see now tap on this I section. As you can see now here is the list of here is the option. Now you can be able now to see whoever now views your profile on TikTok. Now my own is turned off. That's why I can't be able now to see the list of the people. Now tap on this back arrow and tap on this three dot at the top right side menu. Now go to settings and now go to this privacy. Under this privacy, scroll to down and tap on this where it says profile views, this one. So as you can see now the profile views on my TikTok app now is turned off. So now tap on this section to turn it on. Now I turn it on. Now if I go back to my profile view section, go back again. So now all I have to do now, tap on this I section. So now as you can see now whoever now views my profile on TikTok, I can be able to see his account on this list. That's it guys. Hope this video helps you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching guys.